Do you lack confidence? When you're in the face of a crisis or a situation that you've got coming up and you just don't think you've got the confidence to cope with it? Today, I'm going to show you a mindset switch to help you with that. Hi, so I'm Bella O'Hara from Feel Great to Be Productive. I'm a motivational coach with 28 years experience. I help people to feel more positive, motivated and confident quickly. Do you find yourself lacking confidence when something happens and you know you've got to deal with it, but today you just can't feel it? You're lacking confidence. You sort of seize up. Well, we've all felt like that, and I can help you with this mindset switch. Try this. Take yourself back to a time when you had another situation, but you had to get through it. Your whole body was seizing up. You're just feeling that complete anxiety. You're not going to get through the situation. However, you've got to. You did. You got out the other end of it and you did it. How did you feel then? How did you feel? Complete relief. Thank goodness it's over. We've all felt that. And you know what? I've even felt, yeah, I want to go and do it again because I did it well. Remember that feeling. You've done it before. You can do it again. So lack of confidence is just lack of remembering that you've done it before. You can do this. So do you have any mindset switches you use when you're lacking confidence? I'd love to hear about them. Leave them in the comments. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so you catch next week's video, which is all about positive affirmations and your confidence levels.